Let us have a look at this exercise here where we install the DRAM software. So it says we can go to the GitHub site, and that's also always a good idea because here it says how to actually install Vidconda. Right? So this follows a slightly different approach than we saw when we did the sort of the standard routine with Prodigal. So first of all, it says download this environment.yaml file. Copy. And then we go to the terminal, and of course we now first need to load Miniconda 3. But I think I already have. Yes, you can see it's here because I just before did the installation of Prodigal, right? So this is already, I don't need to load it again. So then I just, sorry, I need to go back here and copy again, like this, copy, and right click here to paste. So wget for downloading this YAML file, and now I'm in my home folder, and that's okay. So let's see if this is found. Yeah, it took sort of almost no time. So here it is now. This file is it contains some instructions, right? So now we only do like this: conda env create environment, and we use the commands in that YAML file, or it lists actually the software to install, and -n DRAM. That will be the name of the environment, right? So let's go back here and paste it in. So this -n is the same as double minus name, right? The name of the environment. And we create the environment. Okay, we can use this env create or just create. It works the same here. And -f specifies that the commands we have in this YAML file should now be used. So let's see if this works. Yeah, and then we start collecting metadata again, and this may take some time. Yes, so solving this environment can really take some time, but as long as it's working, just be patient. Yeah, and now it starts to actually download the software. And don't bother about this warning here. Newer software exists. And this can take some time because there are lots of dependencies here now. Yes, this was a horribly long list of dependencies. And hopefully it's all being downloaded and the transaction is verified here now. So here we see an output saying that we should actually run this code, this command line here, but we will not really do that because we will not set up a database. We will do something else because it's already been downloaded for us. So we will have a look at that in the next exercise. But it's still installing. And finally, the installation is done. And this really took quite some time. I would say 20 minutes or more. But it worked without any errors, so now we should be ready to activate this DRAM environment.